in my mind.
Coming up October 4th, monster trucks are also in Washington that evening. So if you just want to make a big redneck day of it, come out to Washington, we'll weld all day, and then watch monster trucks all night.
And I don't care where time takes me.
Tungsten's red, he pulled away from that puddle already. Look at your termination point versus mine. Amperage is exact. Now I'm picking on it. I'm just explaining that material, and we should be able to see a direct result of why his well.
Cause cowboys and sunsets, you can always count on them, but never to stay. I guess I'm a cowboy, cause there's a sun set on the